Then, when that word is mentioned, you stand up. Okay? So, it's very fortunate this afternoon that the Alive group is Pastor Ford and Manay Teka. That's the first group. Baptist. That is it. Oh. Okay. So, we will ask some people to join. Pastor Raul, dali ka, sir? Please. Pastor Raul, say good thing, alive. So this is the Alive group. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. Oh, alive na senior citizen. So all the senior citizens will stay here. On the alive part, no? Exactly. So this is alive. I'm alive. And the next in the back is the alert, awake, enthusiastic. Okay? Yes, alive. Yes, alive. No, alert. And then the alive is at the back.
November 18, 2014.
Alive until the row of Pastor Piralo. That is the alive group. And then from Pastor Noy,
CCI Camp, Ulupandan, Negros Occidental.
that is the alive group.